Best Luxury Sports Cars for 2024 Lexus LC. In the highly competitive world of luxury sports cars, the Lexus LC has consistently stood out for its unique blend of opulence, innovation, and exhilarating performance. As automotive enthusiasts eagerly anticipate the latest releases for 2024, the all-new 2024 Lexus LC emerges as a frontrunner among the best luxury sports cars of the year, promising to redefine the driving experience with its impeccable design and thrilling performance. The 2024 Lexus LC makes a grand entrance with its striking design that seamlessly fuses elegance with athleticism. Its sleek lines, bold proportions, and distinctive Lexus spindle grille create a commanding presence on the road, capturing attention and admiration from every angle. From its sleek LED headlights to its sculpted rear end, every detail is meticulously crafted to evoke a sense of luxury and excitement. Under the hood, the 2024 LC boasts a range of powerful engine options, including a potent V8 variant, delivering exhilarating performance and dynamic acceleration that's sure to impress drivers. With its rear-wheel drive configuration and finely tuned suspension, the LC offers precise handling and responsive steering, allowing drivers to conquer corners with confidence and precision. But it's not just about performance. The 2024 Lexus LC also excels in luxury and comfort, featuring a meticulously crafted interior with premium materials, exquisite craftsmanship, and a host of cutting-edge technology features. From the comfortable and supportive seats to the intuitive infotainment system and advanced driver assistance technologies, every detail is designed to enhance the driving experience and ensure that occupants feel pampered and connected at all times. As one of the best luxury sports cars for 2024, the Lexus LC represents the pinnacle of automotive excellence, combining breathtaking performance with refined luxury in a package that's as exhilarating as it is elegant. Its striking design, impressive performance, and uncompromising attention to detail ensure that it remains a top choice for drivers who demand the very best from their vehicles. In a market filled with contenders vying for attention, the 2024 Lexus LC stands out as a true icon, a symbol of Japanese engineering prowess and automotive innovation. With its blend of luxury, performance, and style, it continues to capture the hearts and imaginations of drivers around the world, solidifying its place among the best luxury sports cars of 2024 and beyond.